Renewable energy technology has revolutionized the way we generate power, providing an environmentally friendly alternative to fossil fuels. With the increasing concerns about climate change and the depletion of non-renewable resources, the world is shifting towards sustainable and clean energy sources. This paradigm shift has created a wave of excitement among researchers, scientists, and environmentalists, as we explore the endless possibilities of renewable energy technology. The positive aspects of renewable energy technology. The adoption of new technology, such as renewable energy sources, has many positive aspects. Firstly, it offers a sustainable and inexhaustible source of energy. Unlike fossil fuels, which are finite and contribute to greenhouse gas emissions, renewable energy technologies harness the power of natural resources like sunlight, wind, and water, which are abundant and freely available. This not only reduces our dependency on fossil fuels but also helps combat climate change by significantly reducing carbon emissions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the Infinite Technology family. Secondly, renewable energy technology promotes energy independence. Traditional energy sources often rely on imports, making countries vulnerable to price fluctuations and geopolitical tensions. However, with renewable energy, nations can generate their own power, reducing their reliance on foreign sources and enhancing their energy security. Lastly, renewable energy technology stimulates economic growth and job creation. The renewable energy sector is a rapidly expanding industry, attracting investments and creating employment opportunities. According to the International Renewable Energy Agency, IREA, the sector employed over 11 million people worldwide in 2020, with the potential for further growth in the coming years. Examples of renewable energy technology. Renewable energy technology encompasses a wide range of solutions, each with its unique benefits and applications. Solar power is one of the most widely adopted renewable energy sources, utilizing photovoltaic cells to convert sunlight into electricity. These cells can be installed on rooftops, in solar farms, or integrated into various devices, providing clean energy for homes, businesses, and even vehicles. Wind power is another prominent example of renewable energy technology. Large wind turbines capture the kinetic energy from the wind and convert it into electricity. These turbines are often installed in wind farms, where the collective power generated can be used to supply electricity to entire communities. Hydropower, also known as hydroelectric power, harnesses the energy of flowing or falling water to generate electricity. Dams and reservoirs are constructed to store water, which is then released to turn turbines and produce power. Hydropower is a reliable and cost-effective source of renewable energy, with many countries utilizing their rivers and water bodies for this purpose. Exploring the latest advancements in renewable energy technology. The field of renewable energy technology is continuously evolving, with researchers and innovators pushing the boundaries of what is possible. One of the latest advancements in renewable energy technology is the development of floating solar farms. These innovative installations float on bodies of water, utilizing unused space and reducing land requirements. Floating solar farms not only generate clean energy but also minimize water evaporation and provide shade, benefiting aquatic ecosystems. Another exciting advancement is the integration of renewable energy technology with smart grids. Smart grids are intelligent electrical grids that can communicate with various energy sources and consumers, optimizing energy distribution and consumption. By incorporating renewable energy sources into smart grids, we can achieve greater efficiency, reduce energy wastage, and ensure a stable and reliable power supply. The use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, algorithms is also revolutionizing renewable energy technology. These technologies can analyze vast amounts of data, optimizing the performance of renewable energy systems, predicting energy demand, and enhancing overall efficiency. AI-powered algorithms enable better management and control of renewable energy installations, ensuring maximum utilization of available resources. Renewable energy storage technology. Renewable energy storage technology plays a crucial role in the widespread adoption of renewable energy sources. Unlike traditional power plants that produce a constant supply of electricity, renewable energy sources are intermittent, dependent on factors like weather conditions. Therefore, energy storage systems are essential to overcome the variability and ensure a steady power supply. Battery storage is one of the most promising technologies in this field. Lithium-ion batteries, commonly used in electric vehicles, are being scaled up for grid-scale applications. These batteries store excess energy generated during peak production and release it during periods of high demand, stabilizing the grid and reducing the need for backup power sources. Other renewable energy storage technologies include pumped hydro storage, compressed air energy storage, and thermal energy storage. Each of these systems has its unique advantages and applications, enabling the efficient utilization of renewable energy sources. Green technology and its role in renewable energy. Green technology, often used interchangeably with renewable energy technology, refers to any innovation that promotes sustainability and minimizes environmental impact. It encompasses a wide range of solutions, from renewable energy sources to energy-efficient appliances, eco-friendly construction materials, and waste management systems. Renewable energy technology is a crucial aspect of green technology, as it provides clean and sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. By harnessing the power of nature, we can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, air pollution, and the overall carbon footprint. Green technology also extends to energy-efficient buildings, transportation systems, and manufacturing processes, promoting a holistic approach towards sustainability. Future prospects of renewable energy technology. The future of renewable energy technology is undoubtedly bright. With advancements in research and development, we can expect more efficient and cost-effective solutions in the coming years. The integration of renewable energy sources with emerging technologies like AI, ML, and Internet of Things, IoT, will further enhance their performance and flexibility. Moreover, the increasing awareness and support for renewable energy technology from governments, businesses, and individuals will drive its widespread adoption. As we transition from fossil fuels to clean energy sources, we will witness a significant reduction in carbon emissions, improved air quality, and a more sustainable future. The impact of renewable energy technology on the environment. Renewable energy technology has a profound positive impact on the environment. By replacing fossil fuels, it significantly reduces greenhouse gas emissions, which are the primary cause of climate change. According to the International Energy Agency, IEA, renewable energy sources accounted for 29% of global electricity generation in 2020, avoiding approximately 2.6 gigatons of carbon dioxide emissions. Furthermore, renewable energy technology helps combat air pollution, which is a major health hazard in many parts of the world. Traditional power plants that burn fossil fuels release harmful pollutants like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter, leading to respiratory diseases and environmental degradation. By transitioning to renewable energy sources, we can improve air quality and protect the health of both humans and ecosystems. Renewable energy technology also has a positive impact on water resources. Unlike fossil fuel extraction and power generation, renewable energy sources require minimal water consumption. This reduces the strain on water supplies and protects aquatic ecosystems, which are often affected by water-intensive industries. Challenges and limitations of renewable energy technology. While renewable energy technology offers numerous benefits, it also faces certain challenges and limitations. One of the primary challenges is the intermittent nature of renewable energy sources. Solar power generation is dependent on sunlight, which is not constant throughout the day or in certain regions. Similarly, wind power relies on wind speeds, which can vary significantly. To overcome this limitation, energy storage technologies and grid integration play a crucial role in ensuring a stable power supply. Another challenge is the initial cost of implementing renewable energy technology. While the long-term operational costs of renewable energy systems are relatively low, the upfront investment can be substantial. However, advancements in technology and economies of scale are gradually reducing the costs, making renewable energy more accessible and cost-effective. Additionally, the environmental impact of certain renewable energy technologies must be carefully considered. For example, large-scale hydropower projects can have ecological consequences, including habitat destruction and alteration of river ecosystems. It is essential to strike a balance between renewable energy generation and environmental conservation to ensure a sustainable future. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos and join our community of infinite technology fans.